Winter is coming, and our question is, in terms of efficiency, what am I going to lose with these? Let's find out. All right, let's go. Efficiency test. Reset. Temperature, 80 degrees. A little warmer than last time. PSI, we'll find out. 71 degrees in the cabin. Nice and cool. Auto. Let's go. The decision to put on mud flaps can be for aesthetic reasons, can also be to save your quarter panel in the rear from any road debris. Also, if you'd like to make less of a splash in the rain. Either way, the decision is yours. I'm merely here to test its efficiency and its effect on our range. This is the ambient sound inside the car. Not much traffic around here. Okay guys, we are done. So what did we learn? Well, I guess on the overall, if you're looking at mud flaps, save yourself some money. Your car is more efficient without them.